Hey everyone, this is Luis Barajas, author of My Street Money. And guess what? We're going to be doing a workshop in Santa Ana, California on June 29th. Something I've been wanting to do for at least a couple of years, so we've now committed to the date. And basically it's going to be based on the book My Street Money. We're going to talk about how to overcome limiting beliefs to build wealth. We're going to talk about how to create your values to align with your goals or your financial goals. We're going to talk about how not to get ripped off when you're buying life insurance, how to invest your money in an economy where we haven't had a recession in over a decade, how to plan for retirement. And then I'm going to be answering all your questions. So it's going to be an all-day event. We're going to have 3 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the afternoon. And we're going to really focus on building your financial foundation. So I hope you can join me. Please find all the information on our website at www.luisbarajas.com or all our social media pages at Luis Barajas.